Hi everyone, welcome to the sales order to PO or PO to sales order guide. In this quick guide, we're going to walk through how to create a sales order from a purchase order or a purchase order from a sales order. So I've got a sales order pulled up here, and so I can see these two lines are here. So if I want to create a purchase order for this sales order that's going to contain these exact same lines, but just in a PO rather than an SO, I can just go options, and then I can go copy to purchase order and then just click OK. And so what it's going to do is it's going to fetch those two lines that were on the sales order, and it's going to copy them over to this PO page. And the rate that's going to pull in here by default for purchase order is a standard unit cost. And for sales orders, it's going to fetch in standard unit price. So you're going to want to make sure, just keep an eye out for that when saving these orders. So once you're on this page, just go ahead, select your vendor, and then just hit save, click OK, and your purchase order has now been saved. And if you actually see the reference number for this purchase order, it's actually the sales order that it got created from. And likewise, I'll do the same thing. So this time I'm going to go from purchase order to sales order, click OK. And so similarly, it's going to take me to the sales order page this time, and it's going to fetch the same lines. And this time it's going to fetch the standard unit price for a sales order. And basically just select your vendor and just hit save and click OK.